The power takeoff, or PTO feature as it's commonly referred to, allows you to connect suitable electric tools directly into the workshop vacuum's power outlet while also being connected to the dust extraction hose. So how does this feature actually work? For starters, the tool you're connecting can't exceed 900 watts, which can be found on its rating label. Exceeding this power limit will cause the PTO to overload, requiring it to be reset by pressing this button. Move the mode switch to position 2 to activate the PTO outlet. Then, when you turn on, in my case, this sander, the workshop vacuum will automatically start up, providing a nice, clean environment as I work. Then when I'm done, all I need to do is switch off the tool. The vacuum will continue to run for a few more seconds to allow for all the remaining dust to be sucked through the hose before automatically switching off. To learn more how-to, tips and tricks, go to RYOBI.com.au or check out our YouTube channel. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest releases.
RYOBI, a cut above.